How to add money to PayPal with credit card. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To add money to your PayPal with a credit card, firstly you can launch a PayPal app or in a preferred browser search for paypal.com. Now over here, make sure to log in into your account if you have not yet. To add the money with your credit card, it is pretty simple. Locate the option of Link a Card. In your app, it might be under Send Money or you will find it right in your home page. Click on Link a Card. Then you will have to enter details regarding your credit card. Firstly, you have to enter your credit card number. Then select your card type. After which, you have to enter the expiration date of your card along with the security code. Also, enter a billing address and click on Link Card. After which, you'll be able to add the money to your PayPal with your credit card. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.